What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? My name's Hugo Freeman, and I am back reacting to another video. So, guys, question. Do any one of you drive or ride a motorcycle? Because how dangerous is it? Because it's only on two wheels, and you go like super fast. I mean, I play video games. I play video games, and where they have motorcycles and stuff. I thought they were fast, but I crash almost every time in like 5 seconds. So I wonder how it is in real life. Of course, I'm pretty sure it's gonna hurt, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna react to the luckiest motorcycle crashes ever caught on camera. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait, is that a moped? Oh no! Oh.
Это пиздец.
He's alive. He's alive.
Вась, живой?
Oh no.
哎呦喂！啊，那喂！哎呦，什么？那一台那个这个刚好有救护车了，好恐怖哦！
Oh, biker and bike crime. Okay, what's going on? Oh, what? Yo, that's messed up. At least that guy's safe. What's this? I can only hear the audio from this side. What the hell? What? 2 people on the same bike, I assume. It has to be. It has to be. The hell? What's this? Oh. Oh no. That car was turning. I'm pretty sure he saw the bike. I'm pretty sure he saw the bike. Oh. Oh. The van was like, nah, screw you, leaves. He'll be alright. That's what the van driver thinks. Oh, he is alright. He has a number 9 behind that helmet. That means he has 9 lives. Well, 8 lives now. Oh. Oh, that dude's alive. That's good. That's good. Damn, that car's destroyed though. Oh, what? He was doing a wheelie? Oh, does the wheelie help at all? Does it make it? Does it make the bike go faster? Oh, the car was driving too fast. He couldn't stop. The hell. Oh. Okay. I think that's the biker's fault.
Нет, по земле волочится.
Так ладно, а служить, блять, его как служишь?
Так на косилку намотал.
Oh no. What?
Блять, что ты делаешь-то, блять?
Oh,
Блядь.
the car should have stopped. The car should have stopped, man. Hey, is this Japan or Taiwan? Whoa, what? Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, is this Thailand? Oh. Damn, the kid. Did you see that? The baby. Oh, freaking. The baby was safe. The baby was safe. Oh no. Oh.
Are you much, huh?
Yeah, exactly. Well, are you much? I don't know what that means. Oh, the scooter was going way too fast. On sand. The driver reacted for me. What? That bitch. I think it's Taiwan. Screw you, biker! Yo, bus driver, look behind you. Oh! Ah, he's safe. Oh. What? The bike's safe, people. The hell is going on? Oh. The biker's okay,
Все, жди, подожди, перезвоню.
Aw, man. Man, the car was chasing that biker down. The car driver thought there was GTA. I think it's Taiwan. Oh, whoa. Two birds with one stone. Or two bikers with one car.
Кучка байкеров.
From Mother Russia.
Ёб твою мать. Прикинь, я все снял на видеорегистратор.
Whoa. What the fuck?
Ты охуел, блядь, мудила?
Алло. Ну вот эту пробку продавило, сейчас буду на Волговское сворачивать. Опа!
Oh.
Тихо.
Wow.
Опа!
Oh. Wipe out. People.
为修中，前方向前方可速朝向速限70公里。佢在大上对嘴了后，看到媒体报道非常的不准，接下来卡一通枪下电话。
Oh, that guy was not paying attention.
那为什么要放火烧了蔡英文总部？为什么要恐吓？
头壳底底用手甲面纱咧，直直摇头，表示唔捌抓头但应过。
太阳照着讲安尼，哎呦，要修啊，伊是安怎家己去弄掉。
The van driver was like, dude, why'd you have to hit my car after you crashed the other car? Whoa. What? Yeah, the dude's fine. Oh, hold up. Top cars in Taiwan is black and white? I did not know that. Does it really matter? Not really. Just curious, that's all. Just curious. Good God. Oh. Scooters are dangerous, yo. Scooters are dangerous, yo. Man, I've always wanted to drive a motorcycle, ride a motorcycle, but I kind of glad that I didn't have the conviction to buy one or to get one, because I don't want to relearn to ride on the road again. I have friends who ride a motorcycle. Only 2 of them. It's 2, but one of them kinda quit after he started a family. So, yeah, sad. So, people, what do you guys think about this video? If you like it, press like. You want to comment, go ahead, subscribe, please, and peace.